Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll explain the difference between hot wallets and cold wallets in crypto in just 2 minutes. So first, what is a hot wallet? A hot wallet is a crypto wallet that is connected to the internet. Apps like Trust Wallet, MetaMask, or Binance are examples of hot wallets. These wallets are very easy to use and perfect for daily transactions like sending, receiving, or trading crypto. But since they are connected to the internet, they are slightly more vulnerable to hacks or scams if not used carefully. Now let's talk about cold wallets. A cold wallet is a wallet that is not connected to the internet. This includes hardware wallets or offline storage methods. Examples include devices like Ledger Nano S Plus or Trezor Model 1. Cold wallets are much more secure because they store your private keys offline, away from hackers. But they are not as convenient as hot wallets for quick transactions. So here's a simple comparison. Hot wallet equals easy to use, fast but slightly less secure. Cold wallet equals very secure, but less convenient. If you're a beginner or actively trading, a hot wallet is good for you. If you're holding crypto for the long term, a cold wallet is the safer option. And the best strategy? Use both. Keep small amounts in a hot wallet for daily use, and store large amounts in a cold wallet for safety. And that's it. Now you understand the difference between hot and cold wallets. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.